If you want to create a location toggle on the home screen or in the control center of your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max, so here's the process. First of all, just open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now, if your iPhone does not have the Shortcuts app, you can download it. Just open the App Store and in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your iPhone. After you install it, just tap on Open. Under the Library section, just make sure you select all shortcuts. Then tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Then in the search bar, just search this. And tap on Open URLs. Then tap on URL. Now just make sure you type the exact text which I have entered, because this text is case sensitive. After you do that, then tap on Done. Now just tap on the play button to check if it is working or not. As you can see, as I have tapped on the play button, it opened the location service section in the settings. Now to create a shortcut, first of all, just tap on Open URLs at the top of the screen and tap on Rename. Now, instead of Open URLs, you can rename it to Location or Location Shortcut as you like. After that, just tap on the Safari icon, and from here you can change the icon to the location icon, and you can also change the color of the background. After you do that, just swipe down. Now to set it as a shortcut on your home screen, just tap on the Share button, then tap on Add to Home Screen. Tap on Add, and after you do that, you will create a shortcut for the location toggle on the home screen, just like that. If you want to create a shortcut for this toggle in the control center, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Then tap and hold on the empty space on your control center and tap on Add a Control. Now in the search bar, just search this. Then tap on Shortcut. Tap on Choose, and from here just select the location toggle which we have created. And after you do that, just tap on the empty space on the screen, and as you can see, we have successfully created a location toggle. Now you can resize the toggle as you like, and once you're satisfied with the size of your toggle, just tap on the empty space on your control center to save the changes. Now if you tap on this toggle, it will redirect you to the location service section in the settings, just like that. And this is how you can create a location toggle on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.